Hi guys, Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. After me, we've got Shannon from Shanby Art. We have Patty from Letspourwithpattie. Carrie from FlukieFluidArt. And last but not least, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. So stick around, enjoy the ride. Now, what I am going to do today is, as you can see, I've had a bit of fun with Cell Activator. So, if you want to see how to make the gold Cell Activator, it's video number 205. I'll put the link for it in the description. That shows exactly how I make my gold Cell Activator. So, I figured we'd have a bit of fun with that, do some Cell Activator swipes, and bust out Bubbles' mangled hair comb. So, definitely a load of fun. Alright guys, kick back, relax, hear some tunes, and I'll see you at the end.
Ago, something beautiful could take a hold of your world, lead you down that road where you'd never go. Who could have seen or believed it turned out like this? What seemed perfect, what felt right would be such a mess. And if you forget, what you got left. When you're feeling low, I can lead you home. See the light, there's no turning back. Feel the hope, go on, take a step. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Through the night I will carry you, hand in hand what you're walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light. If you're tired, if you're weak, keep on looking up. Fight the fight and you'll see that you're far from done. And if you need someone, it's not over yet. Give what you got left. When it feels unfair, know that I'll be there. See the light, there's no turning back. Feel the hope, go on, take a step. Go on, take see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light.
We've been hiding in the shadows. We've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Oh, like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war. tablets that fade away, but we will remain. Oh, look what we done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying King, King, King. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but it won't go down. I want it all, I want it all. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah,
Man, they are just so much fun to do. Crazy, crazy patterns that you get out of it. It's definitely a whole heap of fun. Give it a go at home. You'll love it, trust me. Alright guys, up next we've got Shannon from Shelli Art. Click on her name in the live chat. It'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by Venom Fluid Art on Facebook, use the play all list. That way you get to see everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another, and you never get lost. If you've liked this, hit like, share, and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Ding ding. That way you get to see all this fun stuff as I release it. Alright guys, that is it from me this week. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live